Hey, Jermaine Griggs here, founder of HearAndPlay.com. I'm so glad that you've joined me. I've got a cool quiz for you, a pop quiz on basic harmonization to see how much you know about the topic. The way it'll work, I've got 3 simple questions. You have the opportunity to answer. If you get the right answer, I just may have a gift, a surprise gift for you at the end. So why don't we get started? Question number 1. How many tones does the C major chord here, right? How many tones does the C major chord harmonize, right? How many tones can you use the C major chord to harmonize or to provide harmony or chords underneath, right? And I'll give you a hint. It has to do with the number of notes in the C major chord, right? Well, if you guessed 3 tones, you are correct. That's right. The C major chord harmonizes its own tones, meaning it can harmonize C, right, by playing E, G, C. Notice C is on the top. It can harmonize E, right, by playing G, C, E. Notice E is on top. And this same C major chord can harmonize G, right? Notice G is on top. C, E, G. So if you got that correct, congratulations. Let's move on to the second question. All right. How many tones can the A flat major chord that you see here, A flat, C, E flat, how many tones can the A flat major chord harmonize? And I'll give you that same hint from before. It has to do with the number and the nature of the tones in the chord. All right, so if you said 3 tones, if you said A flat, C, and E flat, which happens to be the actual tones in the chord, you're absolutely correct again, right? It can harmonize A flat, right? I'm playing C, E flat, and A flat, right? This same chord can harmonize C. I'm playing E flat, A flat, and C on top. And this same chord can harmonize E flat. I'm playing A flat, C, and E flat. Now, when we say harmonize, we just mean that you could take a melody note like, right? We could take Kumbaya, right? And if we wanted to, we could put full sounding chords beneath them. And you already know the chords because you got the answer right, right? Right? So what we're doing is actually mimicking what real humans would sing in a choir, but we've chosen to use the notes of the piano to harmonize that melody. That's what we're after. Did you get it? Now, before we get into the final question, I just want to point out that a lot of people may believe that it takes years and years of practice to learn this stuff. And the reality is, this is simply not true. The truth is, all you need is a well-tested and proven strategy, and you'll learn all you need to know in a fraction of the time it takes the average player. Now, for the Hear and Play team, we actually take a lot of pride in developing and testing these strategies that are guaranteed to speed up a passionate player's progress. In fact, we created a guide that equips you with everything you need to know to harmonize scales. It even comes jam-packed with 50 quizzes just like these to make sure you're digesting the information. And so these questions you see right here are directly from inside our guide. Now, I'll tell you all about it in a bit, but first, let's see how you do with question number 3. So question number 3, right? Let's go to D flat, right? If you had to ask yourself how many tones can be harmonized by the D flat major chord, how many would you say? And by now, you probably get the gist of things, right? I've already given you the hint that the number of notes in the D flat major chord has something to do with the actual tones and how many tones this chord can harmonize. And in that case, the answer should be 3, right? If you rearrange the chord like this with F, A flat, D flat, this D flat major chord will harmonize D flat. If you invert these chords to A flat, D flat, F, this same D flat major chord will harmonize F. And if you invert it up to what we call root position, this same D flat major chord, D flat, F, A flat, will harmonize A flat. So there you have it. So how did you do? Now, there are 2 ways that you could go about trying to learn how to master harmonizing melodies. The first way is to spend hours and hours scouring the internet and YouTube videos, hoping to find something that works. Or you can take the second route, find someone who's already tested and found a proven strategy, and then just model that. And that's what the basic harmonization quick guide is all about. Trust me, grab a copy and save yourself the headache. By the end of this course, you'll literally be able to harmonize any melody. Now, we originally were going to sell this course for $29, but for a special limited time, we've decided that we're going to give it away for just $7. Pretty crazy, I know. So all you have to do is pay the $7 and you'll be able to instantly download our basic harmonization quick guide right away. Not only does this guide come equipped with 50 exercises to test your knowledge of what you've learned in the course, just like the ones you've seen today, but you're also going to get the step-by-step rationale behind basic harmonization, an in-depth look at subdominant and dominant triads and all the other triads in the scale, and you'll learn the difference between stable tones and active tones, this is crucial, and so much more. Now, we're not going to be charging a lot of money for this guide because I know how important this is in taking your playing to the next level, and I want to make sure everyone gets it. So all you have to do is click the Add to Cart button and download your copy of this quick guide today.